Working on a lantern swag now. Cheryl, if you're watching, this is for you. Cheryl was here yesterday picking up another order, and she saw the swag that I had done on my lantern. If any of you saw my live yesterday of my fall decorating, and she has a lantern that she wanted a swag on. So I am making that for her, and that's what I just started that. So let's see if I can get you to see what I'm doing here. I don't know that my camera goes down that far, but we'll try. I've got the florals together. I'm sort of just attaching this right now, and then I am going to make the bow. Cheryl wanted all of the traditional fall colors, so that's what I have put together here for her. I love doing a swag, and you know, they could go on many different things, not just a lantern. You could put it on a basket handle. It could lay on a spray on the side of a picture. If you wanted to add a fall accent, you know, piece of artwork, you can have that draped over the side of a frame. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with these. Where's my other? Here we go. Again, I am just securing this. I sort of just put all the picks together. I think I have a good combination of greens and florals and textural things and some pumpkins in here. I am sure everybody is either at work right now. You know what, I'm gonna put a fourth one in because this is pretty long. Normally I have the lantern in front of me when I am working on this, so I can kind of get an idea of the size. But Cheryl said that it was pretty close to the size of the one that I had, so I'm going based on that. They're pretty generously sized anyway. So I zip tie these together, and all of the floral stems are on wire, so you can bend them to go in any shape that you need. I know you can't see my face, but I thought you might like to see what it is that I'm working on. Seeing this has an empty space in the middle because this is where the bow is gonna go. But like I said, they are all wired, so you can shape these, which is what I will do when this is finished. I am just gonna put a little bit of floral tape on this because my stems are all different sizes. I don't want them peeking out. So this is just an easy way to cover that up. What's everyone got planned for this Thursday? Are you all at work? Or are you outside? What is everybody doing? It's a beautiful day for fall planting if anyone's going to be fall planting. Although I have to tell you, my summer flowers still look beautiful. And I don't even though I went and bought the mums and so much of my fall things for the pots that I'm gonna make, it sort of breaks my heart to take the summer things out of the pots because they're still so beautiful. So I think I might wait a little bit on that. Okay, almost done wrapping here. See, this just makes it nice and neat. And then I am going to make the bow that goes in the middle. And I think we are good. Awesome. Done with that. Easy peasy. See what it looks like so far? And again, this could, and see what I mean? This could go on a lantern. You could do this in almost a 90-degree angle, bend it, and it could go on a picture frame. It could go on a shelf. You could do this maybe in a guest bathroom where you have pretty towels hanging that are just decorative and put this on the towel bar. Again, it's gonna have a bow with ribbons hanging down. This is just a lantern swag. My wreath holder is behind me that I made. So funny. Teresa is on here and she keeps referring to my wreath stand. This is what I make my wreaths on, that I made. And somehow she just assumed, you know what happens when you assume, that my husband made it. Maybe that's because her husband cuts all her wood, sands all her wood, does all that great stuff for her. I'm not saying that my husband doesn't help me, but he doesn't do any of that. So if I want something made, I have to make it. Okay, so again, that part is done. I'm going to get out my ribbons now. Again, the woman who this is for requested all your traditional fall colors, again, which is what this is. So I'm choosing 3 ribbons here, which I think go together beautifully. And this one, this is what I had on my lantern yesterday. I love this because it's a double-sided satin ribbon. But it's important to, because this is a little bit more softer, it doesn't stand as well as these do, so I'm going to incorporate all 3. I think the more ribbons sometimes, too, it gives it a more high-end look. And I have a lantern here. Again, not the lantern that this is going on, but I have one here that I am just, for my own purposes, going to try and measure to see how long I may want these tails. Oh, I think that's good. I squeeze that in and I know that this is going to be my tail loop. What did you say, Teresa? He does not cut all my wood. He just happened to help when I did all the sand. Okay, okay. Well, that's very nice of him. Let me see if I can remember the initials. APHFM is what Teresa refers to her husband, and she only recently added the A in front, which stands for almost perfect husband for me. I thought that was funny. I think this is a good size loop. Hey, Doris. Oh, thank you. That was fun to start my decorating. I did one other area in the house yesterday and then I called it quits. So I still have all my bins of decorations hanging around. I'll finish that hopefully by this weekend, we'll see. It's killing me to be down here today. I said I was outside sanding and painting. It was hot, like I was literally sweating out there. APHFM, almost perfect husband for me. Did I get it wrong, Teresa? I thought that I did too. So good. I thought I got it right. I think it's so nice that you refer to your husband like that. I'm going to guess how many other women on here refer to their husband as that. I think that's very nice. I could say that about my husband, I guess, but I have not. Okay, here goes the first part. Now I'm going to add this ribbon that I love. Again, it's double-sided and it's a soft satiny. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's get my loop. Go a little smaller on this so they don't flop on me. Teresa, you're cheating again. I know you're at work, but you're a very good multitasker. Oh my God, it's hot down here. Yikes. Okay, do one more. I'm going to do the green side. Oh, I just love this ribbon. Love, love, love. Teresa, can you believe that it's day 16 of lives? Oh my Lord, I never thought that I'd make it. Well, I shouldn't say that. Don't jinx myself. I'm not done yet. I'm only halfway through. Kind of getting used to it. And I think part of that was not worrying about what I was going to go live about and just turning the camera on with whatever I was doing. So this is my normal days. Oh, I think my scissors are becoming dull. I need a new pair of scissors. It's nothing worse than dull scissors. Okay, and I am going to finish that off with this cute little skinny ribbon, and it has a metallic, sparkly orange. And you can curl it so nice. Let me do that a little bit bigger. And go this way. How's it coming? I think that is good. I need my handy dandy cable tie to secure these. And pull tight. Sometimes that's when I need a second hand. And before I do that, I am going to put another one in here because that's how it will hopefully attach to her lantern. Again, I don't have her lantern in front of me, so I'm not sure exactly what it looks like. Just want to make sure I got this in the middle. Yes. Tight. Cut that off. And now this is going to attach to, I just want to figure out what the top and the bottom is going to be. I think I like that as the top. So I'm going to put this on here like this. Secure that to here. Clip it. And zhuzh, that's my favorite part. Zhuzh the bow. And look at how that just finishes that off. Get the tails down here. Zhuzh up your loops. I love this one. See how it curls? And I'm going to cut these down a little bit, and I am going to dovetail them to finish them off. Always better to make them longer while you're starting, and you can always go shorter, but you can't go the opposite if you cut them too short. So I always like to go longer first. I think someone's been using my scissors for something other than ribbon, which makes them go dull. Okay, what do you think? And to try this out, just to show you, I don't know if you can see. Again, I'm not going to bend this because I want her to be able to do that when she goes to put it on her lantern. But look at how beautifully that dresses that up. This is a nice substantial size as well. So it's all done. Finishing touches on my wreath behind me. And a beautiful lantern swag. And again, there's so many different uses that you can use this for. It doesn't have to just be a lantern. This could go on top of a piece of art. This could go on a towel bar in a bathroom. This can go on a shelf. Thank you, Doris. This could go sort of like on my buffet yesterday that I was decorating. This could go right in front of the, what do you call that? My garland that I put there. There's so many different places that this can go. Over a doorway, you know, a walk-through. So I make these as well. If anyone is interested, let me know.